Song, music, lyrics by Holly Lee and Rice.
Don't look back.
No. Directed by Kayla Grace Rice.
Sorry for the crazy strings. I didn't have any wire cutters. I forgot to apologize in the last video. But this one's called Lemon Drop by the Pistol Annies. My mother's tied on with a guitar string goes $7,000 to a banging machine. For these hearts ever really mine. It's not Friday, I drive her downtown, get a burger and fries in a Royal Crown. Thank God I never had to pay another dime. My life is like a lemon drop, the second one minute to get to, sweetheart, I know there are better days ahead. I got a dirty shirt, the worn out jeans, a two dashboards to washing machine before these clothes ever really shine. But I got me a man that just don't care if his little dark side underwear. No stuff